Hello everybody, so today I got here is a small little PSP Game Boy. It's not really a PSP, it's called a PMP4 or something like that, but that's what it's called. Here's a screen, what it looks like is a screen size. Alright, so that's the front, so that's pretty cool. And then it shows it look like it has Super Mario and all these other games that I'm going to try out today. And then here's the back of this item. And it shows you all the features that's on the PMP or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. And I'll show you guys what it looks like and everything today. Alright. Alright, taking everything out now. So this may take a minute here. Okay, so I got everything out, as you can see, so I don't need that. Okay. So this here look like a USB cable, so you can charge it up to your computer, so that's pretty cool. And this here looks like a little small memory card that comes with it, so that's pretty cool. Put that on the side there, and then I'm going to take this thing out and open it here, and then we'll take a look real quick. Oh, come on. There we go. So that is like really small, so that's pretty cool. Here's all the buttons, you know, the D-pad, you got your analog, you got your start select button, C, D, A, B button, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is pretty neat, a little handheld. I think it takes batteries. Let's take a look and see. Yeah, that looks like some kind of battery, right there, so that's where it goes. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to take these gloves off and I'm going to try it out here and take a look on the inside of what games they got and stuff here today. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this on now. Alright, so it turns on right here. Okay, it kind of goes like that. So that's pretty cool, and it shows the light. Okay, let's see here. Oh, and just so you know, these are the buttons to turn down the volume. And then let's take a look on the inside here. They got a few things. They got game, music, video, picture, ebook, file manager, and settings. So that's pretty cool. So let's take a look at one of their games. Yeah, that SD card, by the way, it was a 32 gigabyte SD card. Let's see here. Arcade. And just so you know, there's like 20 different games on here. Most of them are like Street Fighters and stuff like that. But that's pretty cool. Just so you know, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to try out one game here for you today and show you guys what the game looks like and everything, okay? Alright, so I'm going to pick out a quick game here. It's probably going to be like a Street Fighter. Alright, so here it goes. I may win or lose, but we'll see. Oh no. Alright, cool, I got one down. So that's all I want to show you guys today about this item. And if you guys like it, just leave a like and subscribe if you're new here. And I want to say thanks for watching.